Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to this channel. And in today's video, I will show you and tell you how you can disable two-step verification in your Gmail account. Friends, please put your likes, also write comments at the end of the video and be sure to subscribe to our channel. So, let's get to our topic. And please open up Gmail on your phone to begin with. After which you in the top right corner, click on your image and then click Manage your Google account. Next, you'll need to present the menu to the right side and select Safety. Scroll down, you will see the two-step verification section. Click on it. And this is where you'll need to, if you have it set up, verify your identity. I have that with Face ID. And after that, you'll be taken to a page like this, where you'll need to click on Disable Two-Step Verification. I just don't have it turned on, but if you do have it turned on, it'll say Disable Verification here. You just click on that button, and then it will be disabled immediately. This is the way, friends, you can easily and quickly disable two-step verification in your Gmail account. I hope this video has been helpful and useful to you, friends. Please write comments, put your likes, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Bye-bye.